Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt popsicles. Combine yogurt and your sweetener, then fold in fruit or flavorings until evenly mixed. I'll guide you through choosing the right molds, stirring techniques for smooth texture, and simple flavor combos that work every time. This process is forgiving and great for beginners, so relax and enjoy making frozen treats that kids and adults will both love. Start by measuring your yogurt, sweetener, and any milk thoughtfully so the popsicles freeze smoothly. Whisk vigorously or blend briefly to remove air pockets and prevent ice crystals. Fold in fruit pieces or swirls of jam with a gentle folding motion to keep texture intact. Taste the mixture now so you can adjust sweetness. Small changes have a big effect on frozen treats and ensure each pop is balanced and delicious. Fill your molds carefully, leaving a little headspace so the mixture can expand. Tap molds on the counter to pop air bubbles up and smooth the tops before inserting sticks. Freeze flat and undisturbed for at least 4 hours, longer if your freezer runs warm. To remove, hold the mold under warm water for a few seconds to release the edges, then gently pull out each popsicle for serving and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.